Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Checking their mirror is not an option for this driver.
Because you can't. I have a lot of empathy for someone who sends out a dodgy tweet when they were a kid.
Yeah.
You know, I wasn't supportive of Roseanne Barr. I thought that one was a bit much, personally, and now other people are. And at the time, now I look back on it and I'm like, because I had a TV show, so we spoke out again. And now I'm like, fuck, what did I care for? You know what I mean?
Must have found his license in a cereal box. Always check your mirrors for more than half a second. Who gave him a driving license? This lady driver might want to learn the definition of yield. This driver saved 5 seconds. Two idiots in one trip. Something's in the air today. Common driving issues in the UK. I've learned not to gun it off the line after seeing the state of drivers today. Let's hope an ambulance shows up faster than his turning time. Always wear your seatbelts. You never know what can happen. This driver was in a hurry for his groceries. Watch where you're going, bro.
Shit. See? He would have hit us.
Oops. What the f?
This idiot behind me floored it and overtook in a turning lane to run the red light. Such nice weather. Not for the biker though.
Oh shit. Oh. Oh shit.
That driver was on their phone, can you tell? It's their world. We are just living in it. This idiot didn't even attempt to correct their mistake. Why can't people be careful?
Who's going to,
I don't either. Live there over that.
that's not a lane.
You're crazy. You don't have a lane over there.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.